Picture the bustling scene of a state legislature, the heart of democracy in action. At the helm, the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly or the Chairman of the Legislative Council, the presiding officers, the guardians of order and impartiality. Under Articles 178 and 182, they command the ship of their respective houses, ensuring smooth navigation as per the rules of procedure. They maintain order with an iron hand, with the power to expel members, call for order, or even adjourn meetings. Unparliamentary language, personal attacks, not on their watch. They stand as the epitome of impartiality, providing equal opportunities for all members, all parties. They may not vote at first, but in a tie, they hold the deciding vote. But their role doesn't end there. They foster a healthy environment for discourse, contrasting views, and active participation. They safeguard minority rights and ensure constitutional compliance. By fulfilling their duties, these presiding officers of state legislatures ensure that each session is a testament to democratic and constitutionally compliant practice. Now that's democracy at work.